Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about why your nose bleeds and what to do about it. आपका nose bleed क्यों करता है और आप क्या करना चाहिए, right? Have you ever had a nose bleed? It's when your nose start bleeding. It can be scaring, but most of the time जब आप deal करते हैं इन सारे issues से, you want to fix it easily because आपका nose bleed कर रहा होता है and it is very much annoying plus very much sensitive to your nose. Let us talk about क्या reasons हैं why nose bleed. Number one reason is that dry air. Sometimes if the air around you is really dry, अगर आपकी air dry है, then it can make the inside of your nose dry and crack. This can lead to nosebleed, especially winter के time पे when indoor heating dries out the air even more. So number one reason is the dry air, and the number two reason is the nose picking. So if you pick your nose a lot, it can hurt the inside of your nose and make it bleed. So it's best not to pick your nose. आप अपने nose को ज़्यादा pick ना करें because इससे जो आपका nose होता है, it can hurt the inside part of it. Number three is allergies. अगर आपको किसी तरीके की allergies है, it can make your nose irritated and cause it to bleed, especially if you blow your nose too hard. Make sure कीजिए that you gently blow your nose and clean the nose. Then fourth one is the infection. So if you have cold or sinus infection, it can make the blood vessels in your nose swollen and more likely to bleed. So make sure that if you have cold or sinus infection, तो आप इतना ज़्यादा blow ना करें अपने nose को because it will also affect you. Another one reason is nose injuries. अगर आपकी nose पर कोई bump है or you get hit in the face, it can cause your nose to bleed then. What are the signs of nosebleed? So when your nose starts bleeding, the signs are basically blood mixed with mucus in your nose, a bad smell in your nose, which means that there is an infection. अगर आपके nose से blood smell आती है, that means it is an infection-related blood flow. Another one is what are the things that you need to do and how to stop a nosebleed. क्या आप कर सकते हो? What are the things that you can do? Number one is sit up straight and lean a little forward. This helps stop blood from going down your throat because आप सीधे बैठेंगे, सीधे straight होके बैठेंगे तो it will definitely help you. Number two is pinch your nostrils together and breathe through your mouth. अपनी nostrils को pinch कर दीजिए together and अपनी मुंह से सांस लेने की कोशिश कीजिए. That will also affect you during the time of bleeding. Number three is आप किसी भी cold cloth को या ice pack को अपने bridge of the nose पे रख दें because it can help the bleeding to stop and eventually आपकी जो bleeding है वो stop हो जाएगी. Don't tilt your head back because it can make blood go into your throat. Because when you tilt your head, so वो जो blood है वो आपके throat तक पहुँच जाएगा and it will not be a good thing. So if your nose keep bleeding for more than 20 minutes or if you feel dizzy, have trouble breathing, you should see a doctor right away because then it could be a major cause. But these are some of the home remedies that you can take if your nose is bleeding. Preventing nosebleeds. So to prevent nosebleeds, try to keep your nose moist. You can use saline nasal spray or put a little petroleum jelly inside your nostrils. इससे आपकी जो nostrils हैं वो moist रहती हैं and dry नहीं होती है and definitely आपका जो blood है वो flow नहीं होता है nose से and flow इसी वजह से होता है because it is most dry. So avoid making it more dry. Make sure that you're using your nostrils with petroleum jelly or any kind of nasal spray that you're using. Also try not to pick your nose or blow it too hard. So I think this was all about the video. Hope you have liked this video and thanks for watching the video and take care.